Ladies and gentlemen, Dr. Vinny Jolly. Thank you.
Today because we have teams that truly represent different parts of India. We have teams that have come in from Manipur, Bokaro, Mumbai, Chennai, Lucknow, Delhi and Gurgaon as well. We also have the pleasure of having a very distinguished panel of judges who represent academics, corporate firms and NGOs as well. We look forward to your presentations today and we hope that it will be a rewarding experience for all of us here. I would like to run a short presentation now with you just to give an overview of how Innovation Challenge has evolved and also share a few thoughts about IIMT and Oxford Brookes University. So this forum was created to recognize and reward outstanding and creative ideas of young school graduates in India. And the theme for Innovation Challenge has always been around issues that matter to India. So the themes run from deploying technology for identifying various solutions across healthcare, education, transport, identifying global issues, or issues that matter from a tourism perspective, benchmarking of global perspectives, benchmarking of best education practices so that education is more meaningful for the young community. Also, role of IT companies in improving school education, corporate social responsibility, and deploying social media to build campaigns which will help India grow, change, and evolve. The process that we followed in implementing the Innovation Challenges, that the announcements were made through the website. We also printed posters that were sent to about 1,500 schools across India. In the first phase, abstracts were submitted by the various teams that were reviewed and feedback was sent to the community. In the second phase, they submitted their essays which went through a blind review process through an eminent panel of reviewers, and the top 17 teams have been invited to make their presentations. If we look at the spread of submissions, they vary equally across technology, environment, education, and social sector. The assessment criteria that would be deployed for judging the presentations would be novelty of the idea, commercial aspects, real-life implementation, execution details, and the quality of the presentations. We have a eminent panel of judges, and Parul in the next few minutes will introduce in detail all of them. So they all represent eminent organizations. They bring in a phenomenal experience here. And the attractive prizes to be won. The first prize would be a trip to Oxford University and London. The second prize would be laptops. The third prize, third, fourth, and fifth are cash prizes and the trophies as well. These are some snapshots of the final event that was hosted in Oxford and London. They had meetings with the Vice Chancellor. I'll also spend a moment to tell you about IMT and Oxford Brookes University. We are promoted by OMAC Educational Trust. We also represent the ownership of Radisson Blu Plaza, Delhi, and Radisson Blu at Varanasi. We've also had initial support from Carlson Hospitality and the Edwardian Group of UK. Our partner institution is Oxford Brookes University, which has an AMBA accredited business school and follows the British QA norms. In a recent survey, we offer undergrad and postgrad programs in the domains of hospitality and business management. Our ambition is to be amongst one of the finest institutions of higher learning in the domains of management and hospitality. And we would achieve our objective through research, leadership, global employability for our students, and offering industry-relevant curriculum. Our batches, all our student graduates for the last 12 years have been deployed in some of the finest firms in hospitality and business domain, varying from American Express to Standard Chartered, HDFC, Taj, Oberoi's, Marriott, and Radisson, to name a few. Our students go for international internships, whether it's Singapore, Malaysia, Dubai, Abu Dhabi, Germany. So everybody graduates with 1 year of work experience, especially at the undergraduate level. We've also had history of entrepreneurs emanating out of IIMT. With strong industry engagement and mentorship by industry executives for all our students. We publish research in the area, we publish research journals. One is Journal of Services Research and the other is Journal of Technology Management for Growing Economies. A lot of faculty have been recipients of Best Paper Awards. They work on state-of-art research, producing contemporary case studies. We've hosted Fulbright Fellows at IMT in the past. We've conducted workshops for industry, general managers in the domains of revenue management. We've also established linkages with educators in the domain of hospitality management. And we're going to move to a new campus in the middle of the coming year. And it's going to be a state-of-art campus spread over 16 acres. It's going to be a green building with a theme of innovation and knowledge discovery. These are some snapshots of the buildings as to how they would look like. These are some snapshots of the interiors of the building. Thank you.